this your first time playing, Kate?
This, yeah.
Beat up your brother. Okay, here we go. Brother and sister getting their aggressions out. Jack's giving pointers.
I would stand back.
Go, kill. I mean, hit gently. Hit lovingly.
Oh!
Oh, Kate!
I beat my sister.
No, this is not good.
With respect.
With love, you beat her with love. Michael Farrell, he approaches the ball.
He's chosen his driver.
I see he's chosen his driver for this shot, heading off over the lake into some sort of castle thing.
Nice
It's
shot.
good. It looks straight. It looks straight. Where are we? Oh, yes, and it bounces.
Oh, there's Kate's ball. Okay.
A clean shot.
95 yards. Oh, he was clapping for you. Let's go, Kate.
Let's go, Kate! Kick Daddy's booty.
Kate's in the rough.
Oh, Kate Farrell. She's in the rough right now. But that's nothing new to her. She knows how to pull it
A
through.
7-iron. Does it pick your iron?
She's using a 7. I don't know. Doesn't do my ironing. Where'd it go? Oh, very close to the green. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Take the blanket down, Jack. Kate?
Thank you.
Ooh, the wee dance! What do you say, Jack?
Thank you.
Woo! Isn't that awesome? Emmy, what do you say?